Mason refuses to eat without the shark vac being on his tray.
This baby. He's not distracted by anything else. Uh-oh.
What's that?
Vacuum. Did you say shark vac? What is that thing? Is that a little animal of some sort?
Mason?
No.
Mason? That's right.
Is that your friend?
Shark vac. Oh! Shark vac says I need a shark vac for me. Mason, this is embarrassing for you.
We love you. Why do you love shark vac so much, Mason?
Shark vac? This is the best you've eaten in a couple days.
Okay, little arm flopper. Does it have to be running for him to eat?
Eventually.
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. Shark vac. So you got some stuff on your face. That's right. Look, what's that button do? That's the magic button. You're doing good, Mommy. Oh, he's eating shark vac. You got applesauce on it.
I didn't.
No, it's talking to Mason.
Yeah, all the applesauce.
I'm just going to clean you up a little bit.
What is Daddy doing to you? If his hands are busy pushing shark vac away, he won't be able to push his food away.
He doesn't want to push shark vac away. He wants to keep shark vac. Ready?
Crazy baby, crazy baby.
Are you mad at shark vac? Button. That's right. This is a button. You gotta push it. You gotta go. That's right. You go woo, woo, right there.
I should get some more applesauce.
You want me to take it?
I don't know if he wants to eat plain rice. Don't bang in his face. Gross.
Just a little. He just had a little rice on his face.
No, but I don't need to vacuum his face. It's like, you know, he's definitely graduated when it's like a wooden spoon isn't enough to distract him. He needs like an actual appliance. It needs to be going on and off.
Mason.
Next, he's gonna need like the toaster. What?
Mason, say
What is
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.